Hi, my name's Abby Eckler, and I did my literacy centers on the book called Turkey Trouble by Wendy Silvano. The first center is for the low-level readers, and I have this directions sheet right here, and it says reread the story using a simplified book. The simplified book is retelling the story with less words and less illustrations. It goes through the whole entire story with all the key ideas and main events. The second thing they would complete is a character setting and plot worksheet. The standards they will be working on are LAFS 1 RL 1.2, which is retell stories including key details and demonstrate understanding of their central message or lesson. Another standard that they would work on would be LAFS .1.RL.1.3, which states describe character settings and major events in a story using key details. These two standards both coincide with each other because one is asking you to retell the story, and you cannot retell the story without using characters, the settings, and the major events. So the first thing that they would do would be to this character setting and the problem and solution of the story. The students, because they're low, they might not have the capabilities of writing all their words or putting the idea in writing. So here in the boxes that they would just draw the characters. Visuals help low-level readers a lot when they do not know a word that they might know as a character or something like the turkey. They might not know what the turkey is, but they know that the turkey or the drawing of a turkey is the character. So they would draw a character, setting, and then plot and how it was solved. They wouldn't have to have all the details being used for their solution. They would just pick the one main one. Sticking with the visuals for the low-level readers, they will have these little pictures that retell the story. They would cut them out and glue them onto a sheet of paper. And therefore, like I said, visuals help and are so tremendous with low-level readers because they have that learning gap and communication issue that they cannot think and put onto paper what it is, but they could show us in pictures. If they finish with those both activities, I have this little turkey. They would disguise their turkey however they want it anyway and not explain, but they would decorate it and disguise it however we want, and then they will be able to tell simply what they disguise their turkey as. For my rubrics, I used 4. I can reread with my partner, I can identify the character, setting, and plot, and I can retell the story, and I can do my turkey and describe it with how they did it. I use stars. I cannot identify the character, setting, and plot of the story. I can identify some. I can identify most. I can identify all. So if they are not able to, they will get 1 star. If they can, sometimes they will get 2. And most of the time, they're able to do the topic, then they will get 3. And if they can do it all the time and they master that skill, they would get 4 stars.